Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this simple model you can see in your screen. This is the model that we are going to design here. Here I will be using mainly sweep cut tools, extrude, extruded cut tools and plane selection method. Already I have explained all those things. The link is given in the description box. If you want to study those videos, you can go and you can study those videos. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the OK. So you can see here the by default unit is mm/second. Let it be. I will select here front plane, click on the front plane and go for the sketch. I will start with the arc here. So I'll select here center point arc. This I will use as my center. I'll start like this and I will just make an arc which is like this. I'll be giving here dimension. The dimension is 134 is the radius. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined, but these points are not getting defined because I need to give a relation here which is having the relation horizontal. Now go with the OK. Now you can see here, come out from this sketch. Now I will choose here top plane and click on the sketch and make it normal to the plane. Now I will select here circle and I will draw here two circles which are concentric. This is the first circle and this is the second circle. And I will be giving the diameter for both the circle. The outer one is having the diameter which is 108 and the inner one having the diameter which is 80. Now I will do here one thing. I can give the dimension or else I can go with the convert entities and then convert into construction geometry. Now I will be giving the relation this and this. Click on this, go for the merge. Now you can see here this is my profile and this is my path. Come out from this sketch. Go for the operation here called sweep. Now I will choose here this is my path and here I will use the concept called selection manager and I will be selecting here the outer sketch and just go with the OK. Now you can see here you are getting the sweep which is like this. Now I will select this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane and I will draw here one more circle like this. And I'll be giving the diameter which is 120 and I need to give one more relation here. Click on this and this, give the relation here concentric and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So I will do here one thing. I'll draw it on one side and I'll use the mirror command. So come out from the sketch and go for the extrude. I'll be extruding it other directions and I'll be giving the extruded height which is 8 mm and just go with the OK. Now here I will go for the fillet command. Click on the fillet and I'll choose here the fillet called full round fillet. So I'll select here this face, I'll select here this face and I will select here this face. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here model is looking like this. Now I will go for the mirror command. Click on the mirror and I'll be choosing the right plane as the symmetricity plane and I will choose here extruded boss and fillet and just go with the OK. So you can see here your model is looking like this. Now once again I will go for the sweep operation. Already I have the sketches. Now I will use the sweep cut here right now. I'll make this sketch visible, both the sketch this and this. I'll make this sketch visible. So go for the sweep cut. I'll choose here path. Path is same this and I want to use the profile here. Right click, use the selection manager. I'll be choosing this inner circle and just go with this OK. Now you can go for OK. Now you can see here your model is like this. Now if you want, you can hide both the sketch once again. Now I will be taking a plane here. So you can see here, this is my top plane. So already I have explained that how to select the plane. The video link has given in the description box. Now I will be giving here the dimension, which is 197, and just go with the OK. Now go for the sketch. The plane is already selected. Make it normal to the plane. I'll draw here circle. I'll draw here actually 2 circles at a time, and I'll be using the selection manager concept once again. I'll be giving the diameter for the inner circle, which is 44, and the outer circle having the diameter 84. And I will give here to here the horizontal dimension, which is 124. And I will be giving the relation here, this point and this center point having the relation horizontal. Now go with the OK. Come out from the sketch. Here I will use the selection manager concept once again. So go for the extruded boss base, and from drop down menu you can select the sketch. But here you can see we have the option called selected contour. I will delete this and I will choose the outer one, and I will reverse the direction, and I will be giving here up to next. Just go with the OK. I will reuse this sketch, make it visible, go for the extruded cut, click on this sketch and go for the up to next. Go with the OK, and you can make the sketch invisible and hide. You can hide this plane also. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. I'll go for the fillet right now and click on the fillet. Now I will be choosing constant radius fillet here. So I'll be selecting this edge and I'll be giving the fillet radius 10 mm. Just go with the OK. You can see if I take the section inner portion, there is no fillet, but in your drawing there is having some fillet. Inside also I have to give the fillet radius. So I'll go for the fillet here. Click on the fillet once again and give the fillet radius 10 mm and just go with the OK. Now I will go for the mirror command. So click on the mirror. I will choose here right plane. This is the plane, and I'll features to mirror. Here I will be choosing this extruded boss base, this extruded cut, this fillet and this fillet. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.